today I'm going to teach you our song that we do in the classroom. This song is called Row, Row, Row Your Boat. Okay, friends, so we can grab our partner's hands, hold on to your partner's hands. Sometimes in the classroom we also use a hula hoop. So if you have a hula hoop, you can use that as well. All right, ready, set, go. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. But if you see an alligator, don't forget to scream. Oh, let's see. Oh, Abby touched the more picture symbol. Okay, it's time for more parachute. Ready? Row, row. Oh my gosh. More. Row, row, row your boat. Sorry. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream.